Let me show you how to design this social media post in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 1080 by 1350 pixels. Set the resolution to 72 and then press Create. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Let's choose this blue color. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Follow along with what I'm doing right here. Now, to draw the shape, we need to go to Illustrator. Open Adobe Illustrator and set the fill color to black with no stroke color. Now choose the Rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle. Follow along these steps. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Choose the Pen tool. Follow along with what I'm doing right here. Hold Shift to make a straight line. Hold Shift to make a straight line. Hold Alt and click on the anchor point to remove the handle. Select both shapes, then choose the Shape Builder tool and drag across them to merge them into one shape. Now, select the shape and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Then go to Photoshop and press Ctrl-V to paste it. Choose Shape Layer and click OK. It's right here, but we can't see it on the canvas because it took the blue foreground color. To change the color, select the Path Selection tool. Let's choose this black color. When you finish, press OK. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. To save this shape in Photoshop, select the Path Selection tool. Then go to Edit and choose Define Custom Shape. Name it as you want and click OK. Now the shape is saved in your shape library and you can use it anytime. Let's delete this. Then go to Window and choose Shapes. Here it is. Just drag it onto your canvas. Follow along these steps. Drag this layer on top of the layers. Press Ctrl-T. Let's scale it down while holding the Shift button. Follow this process. Duplicate this layer like this. Follow along with what I'm doing right here. Press Ctrl-T. Rotate it 180 degrees. Let's change its color to white. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Now choose the Ellipse tool and let's draw a circle while holding the Shift button. Follow along these steps. Let's choose this light gray color. And no stroke color. Follow this process. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now choose the Rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle. Follow along these steps. Let's choose this black color. Follow along with what I'm doing right here. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl-J. Press Ctrl-T. Hold Shift and select these two layers. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. Now choose this solid color layer. Now open this pattern in Adobe Illustrator. You can find the download link in the description below. Press Ctrl-C to copy it, then go to Photoshop and press Ctrl-V to paste it. Choose Smart Object and click OK. Follow along these steps. Reduce the flow to around 12%. Hold Alt and drag down to make a copy. Hold Shift and select these two layers. Press Ctrl-T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Follow along with what I'm doing right here. Now choose the Ellipse tool and let's draw a circle while holding the Shift button. Remove the fill color and set the stroke color to light gray. Set the stroke to 150 pixels. Follow along these steps. Now, I'm going to add a light on the man's face. Choose this layer. Let's create a new group. Rename the group to Light. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the black color and then press OK. Keep watching, you'll understand what I'm doing. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Color Balance. Follow these settings. You won't see any effect right now, but you will soon. Follow along with what I'm doing right here. Choose the group folder. Change the blending mode of the group to Screen. The Screen mode hides black areas. Right-click on the group and let's pick a color for this group folder. Choose this layer. Create a new layer. Set the foreground color to white. Choose the brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Set the opacity to 100 and reduce the flow. Now I'm brushing to reveal the light effect. And it appears blue because the color balance adjustment shifted the tones toward blue. Since the group is set to screen mode, only the lighter colors are visible, which makes the brushed areas show up as a blue glow. I want the blue light to appear only on the man's face. Hold Ctrl and click on this thumbnail here to make a selection. Choose the group and then add a layer mask. Now the light is only on the man's face. For the last step, select the Type tool and add your text. I've already written mine. I'll show you the font I used. You can find every font I used in the description below. Last step, add your logo and you're done. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.